Lily here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different recipes. They're really healthy and I think you guys will like them because they're my personal favorites. So let's get on with the video. First, we're going to take a large pot of water, salt it, and bring it to a boil. Next, we're going to take a large bowl and fill it with water and ice to create an ice bath. While our pot of water is boiling on the stove, measure out 2 cups of sugar snap peas. Then trim all the ends off. When the pot of water finally comes to a boil, pour in your sugar snap peas and set a timer for 2 minutes. This method is called blanching. After the timer runs out, you can use tongs, or I used a grater, to place the sugar snap peas into the ice bath. Now, pour in your edamame to the remaining boiling water and follow the instructions on the package. While the edamame is boiling, pick out your sugar snap peas and place them into a big mixing bowl. Once your edamame is done boiling, strain them and begin to deshell them. Now add 2 cups of shelled edamame to your large mixing bowl. Chop up a chive and add it to your mixing bowl as well. Then add 1 cup of shredded carrots. Mix all your ingredients together. To create the sesame vinaigrette, add 1 cup of seasoned rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/4 a cup of canola oil, and a little bit of pepper. Now mix all these ingredients together to create your sesame vinaigrette. Pour as much sesame vinaigrette as you please and mix. And that's how you make this delicious meal. For our next recipe, take 1 pound of green beans and trim the edges off. Now bring a large pot of water to a boil. Salting it is optional though. Now we're going to create another ice bath by adding ice and water to a large bowl. And set a timer for 2 minutes to blanch them. Using tongs, take the green beans out of the boiling water and place them into the ice bath. After they sit in the ice bath for a few minutes, strain them and pick out the pieces of ice. I like to conserve water by adding them to my potted plants. Now, cut the green beans into thirds. Add all the green beans into a big mixing pot. Now measure half a cup of Caesar dressing and add it into your mixing bowl. Lastly, add half a cup of shaved Parmesan cheese. Mix it all together and ta-da, you're done with the second meal. This last recipe is a snack. Start by measuring out 2/3 a cup of chia seeds. Now, blend these chia seeds together until they become a fine powder. Now, add into the blender 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao powder, 2 cups of flax milk, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1/4 a cup of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a little bit of salt. Now blend on high, but not for too long, to make sure you end up with a thick consistency. And that's how you make chocolate chia seed pudding. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, hit the little bell icon because I have a lot of videos in progress and I can't wait to share them to you guys. Thanks for watching.